Hello everyone, my name is Ritesh Goyal. Today in this video I am going to explain task 8.2 HD. In this task we have to build a custom pinch application in Python. So I have written a Python script called mypinch.py without using any built-in pinch commands. It uses raw sockets and ICMP protocols to send and receive echo requests and reply and message manually. So now firstly let's run this application to test it. So after this we have to put the host name we have to require. We can put any host name or the IP address directly. So first try with that google.com. So as you can see the required pinch output line, pinch destination IP address in Python followed by pinch header showing the destination IP, the data size of 56 bytes. So each line show the number of bytes received, the source IP address, the ICMP sequence number, the TTL time to live, and the round trip time in milliseconds. So the TTL tells us how many network hops the packet passed through it, was discarded or arrived. The round trip time measures how long it took for the packet to travel and come back. If a reply does not arrive within 1 second, the application prints request timeout and the message will be shown. So now also try it with the providing the IP address. So basically I have pinched Google's public DNS server at 8.8.8 to demonstrate the application works across different destinations. Again we can see the bytes received, the IP address, TTL, sequence numbers, round trip time, and all extracted manually from the raw ICMP packet using Python struct library. Now quickly I will go through the code I have made. So it have 5 main functions: calculate checksum. It computes the ICMP checksums using 16-bit 1 complements addition. The second function is the create packet function. It builds the ICMP echo request packet with the proper header and payload. Now next is the receive pinch functions. This listens on the raw socket, unpacks the IP and ICMP headers and extract the TTL, sequence number and round trip time. Now the fourth function is send one pinch. Sends the packet and call receive ping to wait for the reply. And the last function is the display statics function. So this calculates and prints the final packet loss and RTT summary. So that's conclude my demonstration. The application successfully implements the core functionality of the pinch utility: hostname resolution, raw socket creation and verification, checksum verification, and statistics displays in Python. Thank you.